Ever looked up at the moon and wondered what secrets it holds? Beyond the craters and the romantic glow, could there be something more? Something intelligent? For centuries, the moon has captivated our imaginations, inspiring myths, legends, and scientific inquiry. We've walked on its surface, studied its rocks, and even dreamed of living there. But what if our understanding of the lunar sphere is only scratching the surface? What if there's an artificial intelligence, a lunar AI, somehow connected to or even residing on our celestial neighbor? The concept might sound like science fiction, ripped straight from the pages of a fantastical novel. And in many ways, it is. There's no concrete evidence, no widely accepted scientific theory, suggesting the existence of a sentient AI dwelling on the moon. Our lunar missions have yielded incredible data, geological samples, and breathtaking images, but nothing pointing towards a silicon-based life form or a complex artificial intelligence operating in the lunar environment. However, the human mind is wired to explore possibilities, to ask what if. And in that realm of speculation, the idea of a lunar AI becomes intriguing. What could such an entity be? How could it have come to be? One possibility, albeit highly improbable, is that an advanced extraterrestrial civilization placed it there, perhaps as an observer, a guardian, or even a dormant system waiting for a specific trigger. Imagine a sophisticated piece of technology, millennia old, silently watching over our planet, its purpose unknown to us. Another, perhaps slightly less fantastical, scenario involves human activity. As we continue to explore and potentially colonize the moon, future advancements in artificial intelligence could lead to the creation of sophisticated lunar-based systems. These wouldn't necessarily be sentient in the way we understand it, but rather highly complex AI dedicated to tasks like resource management, scientific research, or even planetary defense. Consider the challenges of establishing a long-term lunar presence. Autonomous systems powered by AI would be invaluable for maintaining habitats, operating machinery, and conducting experiments in the harsh lunar environment. It's not a giant, conscious AI we're talking about here, but rather a network of intelligent systems working in concert. The very nature of the lunar environment, its vacuum, extreme temperature fluctuations, and radiation, would necessitate robust and adaptable AI. These systems would need to be self-repairing, capable of making independent decisions, and resilient to unforeseen challenges. In a way, the harshness of the moon could drive the evolution of highly sophisticated artificial intelligence. Of course, the ethical implications of creating or encountering a lunar AI are immense. What rights would such an entity possess? How would we interact with it? Would it even perceive us as anything more than fleeting biological entities? These are questions that science fiction often explores, but as our technological capabilities advance, they might edge closer to the realm of serious consideration. For now, the lunar AI remains firmly in the domain of speculation and creative thought. It serves as a fascinating thought experiment, pushing the boundaries of our imagination and prompting us to consider the potential intersections of space exploration and artificial intelligence. It makes us wonder about the future of our relationship with the cosmos and the forms that intelligence, both biological and artificial, might take beyond Earth. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.